temptation. Don't let it get the best of you. So here's an invitation to the party of the year. You can't miss it. You gotta be present, yeah, yeah. We've been fasting and praying, so I know it's gonna be hype. And we gon' party, yeah, from morning to the night. So come on. This Sunday's gonna be a party at my church. The Spirit of the Lord is speaking. You can come as you are. This Sunday's a party. This Sunday there's gonna be a party at my church. Especially invited. Guess who's gonna show up? This Sunday. Feel free to bring everyone you know with you. 'Cause it's gonna be a filled with peace and harmony. We just wanna lift him up forever. Come join us, give him the praises. So here's an invitation to the party of the year. You can't miss it. You gotta be present.